how to download Minecraft on your PC. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now first of all, you want to go to minecraft.net. Now this is the official Minecraft website, of course, so from this point on you just want to click on Get Minecraft. Now you want to select whatever device you're playing on, and for some reason it keeps translating to Dutch, but it's pretty much the same. So like yeah, you're probably gonna click on computer, of course, so we're gonna go with that. And right here you want to select if you're either on PC, Mac, or Linux. I'm on PC, so I'm gonna select that. Now right here you can either select the Windows or like the Java edition or the Windows 10 edition. Now you can see right here that they both differ a bit in price, I think, but yeah, so this one is this version you can play with people on mobile and on PlayStation and on PC, and this one is only on PC. I think this is like the most played one though, but yeah, basically you can choose either one of these, and then you have to buy it right here. Now once you've bought it, then this will pop up right here. You can see download. You want to click on download, and from here on out you want to click on download for Windows, and yeah, it will now open up the installer. You can click on next, just leave it in this folder, click next again, and then click on install. Now I'm not going to do it though, because I already have it installed, and I don't want to like reinstall it, but yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.